This is the practice test for ratios, proportions, and percents. We're looking at number 19. The adult daily dosage for a certain medicine is 50 milligrams for every 25 pounds of body weight. A patient weighs 165 pounds and is to receive their daily dosage in 3 equal doses. Letter A. How many milligrams should the patient receive in a day? So we need to recognize that we're going to use a proportion to solve the problem. And in all of these proportion problems, the first sentence gives us the first rate in the proportion on the left. And we're told that 50 milligrams, there's 50 milligrams of medication for every 25 pounds of body weight. So that's the first part of the proportion. And then the second sentence always gives us one of these pieces on the right. We're told a patient weighs 165 pounds, and we are asked to find their daily amount of medication in milligrams. Now, the pounds needs to go on the bottom because we need to be the same on both sides on the bottom in terms of the units, and then the milligrams go on the top on both sides. So once we have the proportions set up, we solve it by looking for the two numbers that are across from one another. We multiply those, and we're going to get 8,250 on the calculator. And then we always divide by the leftover number, 25, and we get 330. So 330 milligrams per day, this is the daily dose that this patient should receive. Now, letter B asks us to find how many milligrams should the patient receive in each dose. And we're told in this problem that the patient is going to receive their daily dose in 3 equal doses. And that means that we're going to take the total daily dose of 330 and we're going to divide it into 3 equal doses, and each dose is going to be 110 milligrams.